Everyone wants to speak English these days. Do you know why? Because in today's world, if you don't know English, it's hard to get a job, whether it is in the corporate sector or a small company, whether you want to be a school teacher or want to go to abroad. English has become essential for everything. In fact, some people speak English just to show off or to appear more standard. These people try every trick in the book but still struggle to speak fluent English. They keep hoping for a magical shortcut that will suddenly make them fluent. Many people waste their time overthinking where do I even start or what can I do to speak fluent English. They search YouTube endlessly for that one perfect video that will teach them to speak English fluently. But guys, the truth is you won't find such a video, and I will never meet anyone who watched a video and suddenly become a fluent in English. Today, however, I'm going to share a powerful weapon with you guys. If you follow it, you will absolutely be able to speak English confidently and you won't need to write, read, or do anything complicated. Just remember and follow these three simple things that I will tell you because let's be honest, guys, no one can make you fluent unless you practice speaking regularly. You can't learn English or any language without speaking it. So, are you guys ready to discover the three most powerful weapons that will help you to speak English fluently? Or I will tell you what they are, how they work, or where to use them. If you are curious, watch the video till the very end. And if you actually follow these steps, trust me, nothing can stop you from becoming a confident English speaker. So let's get started, guys. Hey everyone, my name is Shalima and welcome back to my another session of learning English. So first of all, I would like to say one thing that please like this video and share it. Let's dive into what you actually need to do to speak English fluently. So first of all, if you are a beginner, I suggest checking out my 30 days spoken English course. Go through that first. Once you are done, start applying these three powerful techniques, which I'm going to share with you. But if you already know a little English, if you can at least speak in a broken sentences, then this video is definitely going to help you. So let's begin with the very first step. Yes, very first step forward speaking fluent English. All right. So the step number one is find action words. Yes, guys. Step number one is find action words. Start with identifying action words. These are the backbone of your sentences. Now you might be wondering what are the action words? And guys, let me tell you, action words are the words that describe that what someone does. Simple things like eat, run, sleep, study, play, drink. Guys, these are the engine of your sentences. These are the engine of your sentences. Without them, your sentence can't move forward. Now, let me tell you what do you have to do for this. So step number one, choose one action word. All right. We will start with eat. But before that, let me tell you the step number two. All right. So the step number two is create 20 to 30 simple sentences using this word. And then step number three is speak those sentences out loud. No writing, no reading, just speak. So now I'm going to give you examples like a demo, what you have to do. All right. So let's take example of eat. Eat is an action word. The example is I eat rice every day. She eats lunch at 2 p.m. Do you eat vegetables? We ate pizza last night. They are eating now. I will eat after school. He does not eat meat. Are you eating again? So, guys, now repeat these sentences 3 to 4 times. Increase your speed, okay? And add some expressions also. So, say them as if you are really talking to someone. That's how speaking practice becomes real. Now, it's your turn. Try the same with these verbs. And I'm going to show you the verbs first on my screen, okay? The first one is play. So the first sentence, I play cricket, he plays guitar. Number two, go. I go to school, going for shopping. Now the next word is read. She reads book. I don't read comics. Next word is walk. She walks fast. Do you walk daily? So don't try to be perfect. Just be consistent. If you do this daily with one verb in a week, you will already have over 100 sentences in your mind. So are you guys ready to use? Now I'm going to tell you why this works. Because you are not just learning English, you are training your mouth, your brain, and your ears to work together like a fluent speaker. This is real muscles memory in action. So now go and grab your first verb and start talking, not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, okay? Just right now. So now let's move to step number 2. And this one is especially for those people who already understand English grammar, vocabulary, sentences, and vocabulary sentence structures, and you have watched videos, read books, done exercises, but when it's time to actually speak, your mind goes blank, your mouth stays shut. So what do people always say? Think in English, right? If you know everything, think in English, but no one ever tells you how to think in English. Well, I'm going to show you. But first, let me be very honest. This might hurt a little, guys. You are not able to speak fluent English because you never practice speaking. You have practiced reading. You have practiced writing. You have memorized grammar rules. But you haven't practiced using your own voice. Now, let's fix that. So the step number 2 is to talk to yourself. Yes, it sounds strange, but it works like magic. So here I will tell you how to do it, okay? So start with simple sentences. Suppose that I'm sitting here. You have to talk about what you are doing. What are your feelings? Or what are you thinking? For example, I am recording this video to help others to learn English. I feel a little shy in front of the camera, but I will keep going. I feel a little shy in front of the camera, but I will keep going. The lightning is good today. So I decided to shoot a video, and let me try saying that line one more time, guys. As I'm thinking, I hope people find this video useful. I hope people find this video helpful. This will also, I'm thinking, and I'm trying to speak clearly so everyone can understand. I made a few mistakes, but that's okay. I will improve with practice. Let's see how this video turns out. That also I'm thinking, and I love sharing my thoughts through videos. So guys, let me tell you one more thing. This is my second take, but I think this one is better. So these types of sentences are great because you are describing what you are doing in real time. It builds your fluency in a natural and confident way. So what you can do, you can describe your surroundings. You can describe your surroundings whenever you are look around and start describing. For instance, there is a chair near the window. The fan is off. The AC is on. I can hear the words. Now, let me tell you one more thing. You can plan your day in English. Plan your day in English is very important. When you wake up, say today I have to go to the market. I will call Ria in the evening. It helps train your brain to form thoughts in English. And also practice what if scenarios, like imagine a situation and how you would respond it. For instance, if someone asked me, "What do you do?" I will say, "Work as a teacher." All right, if I meet a tourist, I'll say, "Can I help you?" This works wonders because you are removing your fear by speaking in a safe space with yourself. And there is no pressure, no judgment, just pure honest practice. And remember, fluency doesn't come from knowing English. I'm going to repeat it one more time, guys. Fluency doesn't come from knowing English. What do you think? Fluency doesn't come from knowing English. Fluency comes from using English. So start today. Whenever you are alone, walking, cooking, looking in the mirror, don't stay silent. Start talking to yourself in English. Now it's time for step number 3. And this one is for those people who says, "I don't know English at all." If that's you, don't worry. Don't skip this video. You are not alone. And yes, you can do this. So let's start with the most important foundation, that is basic grammar. Why grammar first, guys? Because grammar is like your toolkit. You don't need to learn everything. Just a few important things that helps you start speaking right away. So here what to focus on. Number 1, present continuous tense. This is for talking about what is happening right now. For that, I'm going to tell you a simple structure. All right. The structure is I am plus action plus ing. For example, I am learning English. She is watching TV. They are playing outside. You are listening to me. Are you listening? Yes, you are listening to me. So speak these out loud 10 times a day and you will get the hang of it fast. Now, let me tell you the number 2. That is a simple past tense. Guys, used for action that are already finished. For this, a very simple structure. All right. I plus action plus past form. That is second form. For example, I ate. I visited. I visited my grandparent. She called me in the evening. I watched a movie. Use these tenses to talk about your day before sleeping. Just say what you did. Now, number 3, simple future tense. This is very simple. Talk about things you plan to do. Tell you the structure. I plus will plus action verbs. I will study tomorrow. He will come to the party. He will learn more English. She will call you soon. And what you need to do is you need to prepare modal verbs like can, could, may, might. Okay, these are small words that can change the meaning of a sentence. Use them for request, for permission, for possibilities and advice. For instance, I can speak a little English. You should try this course. If we may go out today, she could help you. Will you help me? So guys, try replacing one modal verb in each day in your speaking and slowly you will use them naturally. So now guys, here I would like to give you a tip. This is for beginners. Alright, so just pick one tense per week and use it every single day. No need to memorize definitions. Focus on speaking and hearing yourself and say it out loud. With these 3 steps, action verbs, talking to yourself, and basic grammar, you don't need fluency on day 1. You just need to start. All right. If you still feel like grammar should be learned in an even easier and more natural way without feeling like you are studying grammar, then check out this my 30 days of spoken English course. The full playlist is linked above and is also in the description and I will just pin the comments. All right. This is free of cost and you will get everything. You can easily complete the entire course in just maybe 10 days, or it's up to you. Then move on to the next steps and whatever I have shared in this video. And I have explained everything in the simplest way possible, and trust me, thousands of people have shown love to this course and found it super helpful. So if you are serious about learning English, take a look. And don't forget to follow all three weapons that I shared today, because when you do, nothing can stop you from speaking confidently. So now you have got three powerful weapons to speak English fluently. Learn through action verbs, speak daily sentences, talk to yourself confidently. Your voice is your practice partner. And start with basic grammar like present continuous, past, and future, and also modal verbs. And it's easier than you think. Remember, guys, no one becomes fluent overnight. But with daily practice and the right mindset, you will be one people come for English help someday. All right? And then yes, if you want extra help, don't forget to check out my 30 days of spoken English course, and you can find the complete playlist which is available on my channel, and this is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything for this. And this is the course which I always teach my students in my paid courses. But this is free of cost only just for you because you are my family of YouTube. So this 30 days spoken English course playlist is wonderful. Many learners has finished its just 10 days and seen great results. So don't stop now, keep going and speaking. And guys, you are closer than you think. All right. So thanks for watching this video. And I'm going to wrap up this video. This is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. All the best.